All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to hyphenate paragraphs that are in text boxes. It's actually called area type boxes. So first you go up here to Window and you pull down to Type, and then we're going to get Paragraph out, and still no hyphenation until you do this little magic trick, Show Options, and now we have Hyphenate. Now you see it hyphenated there, and if I change it, it'll probably, yeah, see it's putting them in where it needs them, just on off, right? So that's how you hyphenate it. But and it does need to be in a box. So that's what I was going to say. If you're using point type, which is just regular typing like this, um, there's not going to be any auto hyphenation because you just need to hit return yourself and then hit return yourself. So, if you wanted to hyphenate that, you're going to have to do that yourself. But if it's in a box, which you just get the type tool and you drag, and then it fills it in. And then now you have your box. And you can adjust the size of the box. And if it gets longer or shorter, you can see this. If I just keep typing like this, I'm going to I ran off. That means you've put too much type in there and you either need to make the box bigger, or you need to make the font smaller. That's it. So that's auto hyphenation in Illustrator. I hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.